Good day, Ritualians. We are now in our 5th week. So for this lesson, we have the number problem. So let's have the part 1. So the 3 R's of solving verbal problem. So we need to um, study and analyze these 3 R's so that it can help us in solving verbal problem. The first R is read. Read the problem truly. So, wag kayong magko-conclude agad. So, from start hanggang ending ng ating word or verbal problem, kailangan ay basahin nyo siyang mabuti. Next is to represent. So, you need to represent the unknown with a variable. So like what nung ginagamit natin last time sa mga nauna nating lesson, we're in translating mathematical to word or to verbal praise and vice versa. So ang kadalasan nating ginagamit for unknown ay yung variable na x. Next R is relate. The unknown and the value given in the problem. So you need to know, so since you have the unknown, let's say the variable x, then you need to relate that dun sa mga given na number sa ating problem. Next is the ESP of solving verbal problem. First is to equate. Equate, form an equation using the problem, solve the equation, and then P is for prove the answer. So, proving, ito yung pag-check ng answer nyo. Kung correct yung nakuha nyong answer or value ng ating unknown variable. So, this is a short review of our previous lesson wherein kino-convert natin yung verbal praise or verbal into mathematical equation. Let's say twice a number. So let's say the number is x. So we have 2x. 5 less than a given number. When we say less than, that means subtraction. So given number, let's say again, it is an x. So we have x minus 5. Next, 3 less than twice the given number. Again, less than, so subtraction. When we say twice the given number, 2 times the given number po ang ibig sabihin nun, which is x yung given number or unknown natin. So, ang gawin muna natin is i-represent siya by x. So, twice the x is 2x. Less than 5 is minus 3 less than. So, minus 3 siya. So now, let us proceed with our examples. For our first example, we have the sum of two numbers 29 and their difference is 5. So, you can translate it muna into mathematical equation and then saka ka mag-solve. Or, eto, yung sa number 1, nagbigay ako ng isang sample lang nung sa gumagamit ng trial and error kasi minsan, lalo nung board exam, tapos pag may mga sinasagutan ako, kadalasan ginagamit ko yung trial and error pagka kaya naman. Pero pag hindi talaga, so kailangan ko mag-formulate ng equation. Dito, gamit tayo yung trial and error. That means, may dalawang number daw kapag pinag-add natin, kasi sum ang sagot daw ay 29. And their difference. So, what is difference? That means, answer siya ng subtraction. So, ang operation dito is minus. So, pag dalawang number daw ay in-add natin, 29 ang sagot, at yung dalawang number daw na yon pag sinubtract natin ay 5 naman ang sagot. Yung sinasabi kong trial and error, for example, si 29, pwede siyang maging 15 and 14. Kasi 15 plus 14 is 29. But 15 minus 14 is not equal to 5. So, hindi yun yung answer. So, try nyo pa yung ibang number. Si 29, pwede siya as 11 saka 18. 18 plus 11 is 29. Pero 18 minus 11 is 6. So, hindi pa rin siya yung hinahanap nating numbers. So, kapag ganon, adjust lang kayo or try lang kayo ng try hanggang sa makuha nyo na. So, let's say 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. And 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. So, that means ang final answer natin dapat dito sa ating first example is 17 and 12. Okay, let's have the second example. So, 4 times a number increased by 3 is 15. Find the number. So, first na kailangan nyong gawin kapag ganyan, isulat nyo muna siya as mathematical equation. We have 4 times a number, so that means 4 times number natin, let's say it is x muna. So, 4x. Increase means addition. So, 4x plus 3. Then, pag nakita niyo yung word na is, ibig sabihin nun ay equal. So, magiging 4x plus 3 is equal to 15. Again, pag nakita niyo yung is, that means equal sign yon. So, nakuha na natin yung mathematical equation natin, pwede na tayong mag-solve. So, in algebra, kapag when we are finding the value of our x, lahat ng may variable ilagay sa left side, lahat ng numbers lang or walang variable ilalagay sa right side. Dito sa ating given, since isa lang yung may 4x, siya lang yung maiiwan sa left side. And then, since 3 ay number lang, so dapat malipat siya sa right side. Ang rule natin, kapag maglilipat tayo ng galing sa left, dadalin sa right, kung positive yon gagawing negative. Kung negative, gagawing positive. Ibig sabihin, pag maglilipat tayo, dapat papalitan natin yung sign. Ganon din naman kung yung nasa right naman ang ililipat sa left. Kung positive yung nasa right, ililipat nyo sa left, negative siya. So, dapat nyo lang tandaan yun. So, very basic naman to, pero yung iba nakakalimutan pa rin. Tandaan nyo, kapag naglilipat ng number from right to left or left to right, pabaliktadin nyo yung sign. So, now, simplify na natin. 4x is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so na-simplify na natin. Para makuha natin yung value ng x, i-divide dapat natin both side by 4. Para ika-cancel natin si 4, ang matitira na lang sa left side si x. So, pag nag-cancellation tayo, ang matitira na lang x, and then sa right side, 12 over 4, ang 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So, that means ang number na hinahanap natin ay 3. Okay, yung third part pala ng ating ESP is yung proving. So, pwede nyong gawin yung nakuha nyong answer, i-check nyo kung tama siya, papalit nyo lang si value ng x na nakuha nyo sa x sa equation. So, 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So, correct yung answer natin. Next, for example number 3, the sum of two numbers is 30. Okay, so pag pinag-add daw natin yung dalawang number, 30 yung answer. The second number is 2 more than thrice the first number. Find the numbers. So, dalawang numbers na yung hinahanap natin dito. Kapag kaganyan naman, since dalawa yung numbers, pwede natin silang i-represent muna as yung first number natin ay si x. So, let x be the first number. So, sabi dito, the second number is 2 more than. So, 2 more than is, that means mag-add ka ng 2 thrice the first number. Kung ang first number natin ay x, ang thrice niya or 3 times niya ay 3x. So, si second number, ibig sabihin ay 3x plus 2. Okay, so paano natin ngayon isosolve ang value ng x? Meron tayong x and 3x plus 2. Sabi dito sa problem natin, so lagi lang kayong babalik sa problem. Kailangan na-analyze nyo talaga mabuti. The sum of two numbers is 30. Ibig sabihin, si first number at si second number, pag pinag-add daw natin, 30 yung magiging sagot. So, we will have x as the first number plus 3x plus 2, yun yung second number, is equal to 30. Okay, so nakuha na natin. Again, sabi ko, lahat ng may variable, lagay sa left side. Lahat ng numbers, lagay sa right. So, ang maiiwan sa left side ay si x plus 3x. Si positive 2, ililipat sa right side, magiging negative 2. Simplify natin, x plus x is equal to 4x. And 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. Para makuha ang value ng x, divide natin both side by 4. So, that pwede nating i-cancel. So, pag nag-cancel out tayo, matitira sa left side si x, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So, that means ang value daw ng x natin ay 7. So, ibig sabihin, ang first number natin ay 7. Kasi siya yung x. How about our second number? Ang second number daw natin ay 3x plus 2. Kung si x ay 7, so ang second number natin, substitute nyo lang si 7 sa ating second number, which is 3x plus 2. So we have 3 times 7 plus 2. 3 times 7 is 21, and 21 plus 2 is equal to 23. That means, for our final answer, we have 7 and 23. So para sa ating checking, ang sum dapat daw nung dalawang number is 30. Let's add x is 7 and 23. And the second number is 23. 7 plus 23 is equal to 30. So, correct yung answer natin. Next is number 4. Separate 24 into two parts. When we say separate, ay hatiin or paghiwalayin. So, into two parts such that one number is 8 more than the other. So, yung isang number daw ay mas mataas ng 8 kesa sa other number. So, again, represent natin sila as our variable. So, let x be the first number. Kung 8 more than the other, ibig sabihin ay yung second number natin ay x plus 8. Okay, clear? Now, let's proceed. Since we have the first and the second number, so dapat daw ang total nila ay 24. So, we have x plus 8 is equal to 24 kasi si first number ay x, si second number is x plus 8. So, pagduduktungin nyo lang siya, x plus 8. And then, 24 yung total niya, so is equal to 24. And then, lahat ng may variable sa left side, so x plus x ang matitira. Sa right side, lahat ng number, we have 24 minus 8. So, we have x plus x is equal to 2x, and 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. Again, to cancel out 2, so let's divide both sides by 2. So, we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to x, and 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So, ang first number natin ay 8. How about our second number? So, our second number is equal daw to x plus 8, which is 8 plus 8. So, it will give us 16. So, therefore, ang two numbers daw is 8 and 16. When we add 8 plus 16 it will give us 24. So, let's have the number problem part 2. So, for our part 2, so we have the consecutive number problem. When we say consecutive, ay magkakasunod in Tagalog. So, for our warm-up, let's write 3 consecutive integers beginning with 9. When we say 3 consecutive integers, tatlong sunod-sunod na integers. Ano ba yung sunod-sunod? 9, 10, 11. So, tatlo na sila. Next, negative 10. So, negative 10. Ang sunod kay negative 10, papataas is negative 9, negative 8. Next is x. So, pagka variable na siya, then sabi consecutive, plus 1 lang kayo ng plus 1. So, kung x yung una, yung susunod ay x plus 1. Yung susunod na number ay x plus 2. Bakit siya nag-change ng in-add natin? Kasi consecutive nga. Kung si x ay 5, ang kasunod niya dapat ay 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Kung eto naman ay 5 plus 2 is 7. So, consecutive pa rin siya. Negative 2x. So, negative 2x. Yung susunod, negative 2x plus 1. Yung susunod ay negative 2x plus 2. So, kung dadagdagan pa natin yan, ang mangyayari na dyan ay magiging negative 2x plus 3, negative 2x plus 4, and so on. Write 3 consecutive even integers beginning with, so this time ay even integers naman, so ibig sabihin, pag may nakita kayong consecutive add or consecutive even, that means plus 2 kayo ng plus 2. Kasi let's say, ang even number natin, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 yung difference kada number. So let's say, starting with 8, so we will have 8 plus 10, 8 plus 2 plus 2 is 8, 10, and 12. How about negative 10? So, negative 10, negative 8, negative 6. Consecutive even siya, dapat mga even numbers. So, ganyan talaga siya, hindi siya plus 1. Okay, dito naman, since even integers yung hinahanap, dapat ay x plus 2 agad kayo mag-start. So, we have x plus 2, and x plus 4. So, yung susunod, x plus 6. Yung susunod, x plus 8, and so on. For negative 2x, so we will have negative 2x plus 2, negative 2x plus 4. Okay, let's have example number 1. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 90. Find the integers. So, ang sum daw or total daw ng tatlong sunod-sunod na integers is 90. So, ano-ano daw kaya yung tatlong integers na yon? So, represent natin sila as x. So, since consecutive to, yung second number natin ay x plus 1. At yung third number naman natin ay x plus 2. So, ang total daw dapat nila ay 90. Ibig sabihin, i-equal natin sila to 90. So, magiging x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 90. Again, lahat ng may variable sa left side, lipat sa right side lahat ng walang variable. So, we have x plus x is equal to 90. Yung 1 and 2 magiging negative dahil ililipat sa right side. So, x plus x is equal to 3x. And 90 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 87. So, para makuha ang value ng x, divide natin both side by 3. So, 3x divided by 3 will give us x. And 87 divided by 3 is equal to 29. So, ang unang number daw natin ay 29. Dahil 3 consecutive, tatlong sunod-sunod na number, ibig sabihin ang final answer natin ay 29, 30, and 31. Okay, last part ng ESP natin is to prove. So, para ma-prove natin, add natin. 29 plus 30 is 59 plus 31 is 90. So, therefore, tama yung ating answer. Next, example number 2. Find 2 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 376. So, this time, consecutive odd integers. So, dapat plus 2 tayo ng plus 2. Since 2 number lang yan, i-represent lang natin siya as x. And then, yung second number is x plus 2. Sabi dito, ang sum daw nila ay 376. That means, pag pinag-add natin si x and x plus 2, dapat ay equal siya sa 376. So, same process, variables, left side, we have x plus x, and then numbers right side, 2 will become negative 2, and then simplify natin, 2x is equal to 374, and to find the value of x, divide natin both side by 2. So, we have 2x divided by 2 is x, since cancel na yung 2, and then 374 divided by 2 is 187. So, kung 187 yung ating x, ang kasunod niya na odd number ay 187 plus 2 is 189. So, therefore, ang answer natin ay 187 and 189. So, para ma-check nyo kung tama yung sagot, i-add nyo lang 187 plus 189 is equal to 376. Therefore, we have the right answer. Next, example number 3. Find 3 consecutive even numbers whose sum is 108. Since 3 consecutive na to at even numbers daw, so ibig sabihin, kung si first number ay x, si susunod ay x plus 2, at dahil even numbers pinag-uusapan, plus 2 ulit siya. So, kaya naging x plus 4 na. So, yan yung tatlo nating even numbers na magkakasunod. So, gaya ng sabi ko, i-represent lang natin muna sila. And then, sum daw ay 108. So, we will have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 108. Lahat ng variable sa left side, x plus x is 3x. And 108 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 102. And then, para ma-cancel out, si 3, divide natin both side by 3. So, 3x divided by 3 is equal to 102 divided by 3. Cancel si 3, matitira na lang ay si x, and then 102 divided by 3 is equal to 34. Kung ang x natin ay 34, ang x plus 2 naman natin ay 34 plus 2, at ang x plus 4 ay 34 plus 4. 34 plus 2 is 36, and 34 plus 4 is 38. Therefore, ang final answer natin ay 34, 36, and 38. So, tama. Puro siya even numbers and sunod-sunod rin siya. So, dapat daw ang total nila ay 108. 34 plus 36 plus 38, pag inad natin is 108. So, we have the right answer again. Next, for our example number 4, when we triple the first and double the second integer, their sum is 77. Find the two consecutive integers. Since consecutive integers yung pinag-uusapan natin, represent lang ulit natin siya si x and si x plus 1. Okay, tandaan nyo to ha. Kapag consecutive integers lang, plus 1 lang ng plus 1. Kapag consecutive add or consecutive even, plus 2 siya ng plus 2. Okay, since we have x and x plus 1, gawin na natin siyang mathematical equation. Kapag tinriple down natin yung first number, so ibig sabihin, 3 times first number is 3x. And double naman daw natin yung second integers. So, ibig sabihin, si 2 ita-times natin kay x plus 1. Okay, so magiging ganito siya. And then, simplify natin later. So, pwede nyo nang i-direct to simplify, let's say 3x, and then si 2 times x plus 1, i-distribute nyo na, pwede yon. Or, pwede namang mamaya na. Katulad nung nasa example na to. We have 3x plus 2x, 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 77. Kasi their sum daw is 77. So, una, distribute muna natin yung may parentheses. We have 3x plus 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 1 is 2. Again, pagsamahin lahat sa left side ang may variable. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. And then 77 plus 2 will become minus 2. And 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. Now, let's find x. So, para ma-cancel si 5, divide natin both side by 5 para matira si x. So, we will have 5x divided by 5 is x, and 75 divided by 5 is 15. Kung si first number natin ay 15, so that means si second number natin ay 16. Okay? So, para ma-check natin, sabi, si first number daw, pag dinouble natin, pag tinriple natin, is 15 plus 15 plus 15 is equal to 45. Si second number naman daw, ay dodoblihin naman natin. So, 32 plus 45 is equal to 77. Therefore, we got the right answer. Okay, that's all for this week lesson. If you have concerns, please send me a message, and I'll send you the activity for this week later. Thank you so much, and God bless.